Ang kalipunan ng mga balita sa palasyo ang ihatid naman sa atin ni Elena Luna, live mula sa palasyo ng Malacanang. Elena, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon na Kirby. Nilinaw ng palasyo na panukala pa lamang at hindi at wala pang basbas ni Pangulong Aquino ang napaulat na plano na ipagamit sa Amerika ang mga dati nilang military bases. Sa katatapos-tapos lamang na press briefing ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, nilinaw niya na kasama sa dito ang tiyakin na hindi ito lalabag sa umiiral na batas ng Pilipinas.
The DND is tasked. Remember that everybody has agreed on an increased rotational presence here, not just in the country, but the U.S. also has announced that there will be a rebalancing of sorts in the region. So, knowing that there has already been an agreement on increased rotational presence, the DND is tasked on looking at how to operationalize this particular aspect. And what was mentioned by Secretary Gasmin is but one of the modalities that they are looking into in order to operationalize that. So, ang pagkaka-explain din po sa akin from the DND is that they are looking into several proposals at that particular point in time. But allow us to stress that any proposal that will come out of it will certainly be done in accordance with the Constitution and the Visiting Forces Agreement.
But this proposal, ma'am, has been green-lighted by the President?
Proposals pa lang po yan at the DND level.
All right. But, ma'am, what kind of agreements are these?
The Secretary mentioned an access agreement which is under the VFA, but again, since nasa proposal levels, sinabi rin po ni Secretary Gasmin that they're still threshing that out. They're still working on it.
And what existing bases, what existing bases are he referring to?
Sorry, bases.
Bases.
The installation, the
yeah.
physical, okay. Just wanted to clarify.
Yeah.
Meron pa ho silang mga tinitignan, but let's not mention it yet because at this time na tinitignan, they're still studying, they're still in the process of looking at these things.